Open the MIT App Inventor and start a new project. In this app, the components that we require are a button for the speech-to-text conversion command and a label to display the converted text. First, we will be adding an image to the design of our app. So drag the horizontal arrangement component from the layout palette into your designer screen and change its width to fill parent so that it can occupy the entire space of the screen horizontally. Then go to the user interface and add the image component inside the horizontal arrangement. Now upload an image from the picture option, which you will find on the right hand side of your screen under the image properties. Here you can see the image is placed at the left hand side in the designer interface. In order to change the position of the image, click on the horizontal alignment under the component tab, which is beside the properties tab, and change the align horizontal to center. Next, we need to add a button for the speech to text command. So add another horizontal alignment and change its width to fill parent. And after that, add a button component from the user interface into the horizontal alignment and change its align horizontal to center. Then click on button 1 option on the component tab and delete the name from the text option. Click on the image option and upload an image of your choice. Now you see the image has taken up a larger area on the screen, so we must reduce its size. In order to reduce the size, go to the image properties and change the height and width according to your own desire. Here we are giving 150 pixels for both height and width each. Now drag down the label component to the designing screen and rename it to Press to Speak. And change the width to fill parent and text alignment to center. This label indicates the user to press the above button in order to give a voice command. Next, we will add a label component to display the text converted from speech. Now add another label component and rename it to current word. This label will show the words spoken by a user in a text format. Add another label component, delete its name and change its width to fill parent. Finally, go to the media palette and add the speech recognizer component to be able to access the functionality of the speech recognizer. After this, click on the blocks button, which is located on the top right side of the screen near the designer button. Now let's begin with describing the functionality of our app. On clicking the button for speech conversion, the speech recognizer must pop up and convert the speech to text. For this, we will begin with importing an event handler for speech conversion button. When the button is clicked, the speech recognizer component of the app is called, which converts the speech to text and stores it in memory. Next, we need to set the text in the label to the text stored in the speech recognizer component. So import the event handler from the speech recognizer, which will be executed after converting speech to text. Once the resulting text is obtained, the text and the label component must be set to this result from the speech recognizer. We are also adding another code block to show empty text in the label before the speech recognizer component has been called. With this, we have built our speech to text conversion app. Now you can compile and build the APK file for the app, which can be saved to your computer or directly installed on your phone by scanning the QR code.
Forward.
Thanks for watching.